So we're having a look at these great augmented reality flashcards, 4D flashcards that you can use with an iPad or other tablet device that brings effectively your pictures and letters, etc., to life in 3D in front of you. We find these great because, well, lots of reasons. We used the animal ones, you've seen those before on my Facebook page, and they just create a interactive image, something that you can use and something that uses technology, which is really good for our kids. They sometimes struggle to engage with more traditional methods of education, and this really gets them actively engaged and looking and taking part in what's happening in front of them. And space is one of those topics that's quite interesting. It's full of numbers, you can count planets, you can look at lots of things. So let's have a look at this space set of reality flashcards, or augmented reality flashcards. So we open up the pack, there we go. I've got a set of instructions, and you can see there it says that you're going to download the Space 4D application, and that's what you're going to download onto your tablet or other device or phone. We're going to use a mini iPad today. And then you've got the flashcards themselves. So we've got the planets, and they're all colour coded along the bottom. So all the planets are in orange. There's all the planets of our solar system, and a complete set of the solar system as well, should you want it. Things like Sputnik and the International Space Station, they're all in blue. All of the launches, the shuttles, Voyager, that's all in red. And we've got vehicles, very popular with the boys, interacting with all the vehicles. And then my favourite section, the sort of cosmic section, that's maybe because I'm a bit of a Trekkie, so I like looking at all of those. So if you're doing this with your kids, and if they're in Key Stage 2, they'll have been learning about their planet. So why not start with that? Have a look at the Earth. So we just get our pad, and we just open up that little app there, and then we simply, she says, moving everything around so it all matches up. Oh. Go into the 4D mode, look, and there is Earth. And I can touch, there we go. So there we have Earth going round. Alright, and I can move that about. Let's see if I can get this in so you can see. I can move that about. Now what goes around the Earth? Well, there's various kind of satellites, I suppose. So we could pull out one of our, her other cards. How about Sputnik? See if I can get Sputnik to come up. There, did I get Sputnik? There it is. Sputnik there. So there's very things though. Earth, Sputnik. What I really quite like though is when we start doing things like the space shuttle. You see that there? And you can move it around. What does the space shuttle look like? Some of the other missions. Let's take that one away. And that'll actually take off for you. Watch this. There we go. It goes, blasts off into space. Oh, separates out. Oh, that's fantastic. See that? Brilliant. Just brilliant. And that goes, shows you the bit. Then we've got the things that go around. Curiosity, there he is. And I can move Curiosity about. Hey there. Zoom in a bit. There he goes. Make him go backwards and forwards. And then my favourite part is when you start to look at some of the cosmic things. Bye bye Curiosity. Hello Supernova. There it goes. Supernova. Just beautiful. And then you've got things like Nebula. It's just really pretty. Or if you're into it, what about a meteor? Wow, look at that. And of course you can put your hand on the meteor and it doesn't get burnt. My kids love doing that. There we go. Oh, getting burnt by the meteor. Okay, so that is the fantastic 4D flashcards. We love them and we think they're a great way of educating the kids. Thanks very much.